Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about my recent offer that I have got from FactSet, but I was unfortunately not able to join due to an emergency that has occurred my end. And what was its salary breakdown overall? That will be a part. Going forward, afterwards, I have given an OA of Nirvana Solutions, and that hiring team was that of your Gen AI. And corresponding to that, what basically was being asked, what was the platform? This is what we are going to discuss. So I'm already sharing the screen. What salary overall, respectively, FactSet has offered me, right? Its breakdown is listed here. The base salary basically they have offered me was that of 28 lakhs, followed by bonus was that of 5 lakhs. They provided me a health insurance of 4 lakhs. So basically, the joining was supposed to be on the end of March. Unfortunately, my father passed away 2 weeks back, so I was not able to join it. So going forward, I started my job hunt once again. Recently, I appeared into the OA of Nirvana Solutions. So into that, the platform was that of your HackerEarth. Timeline was that of 1.5 hours. What the question was all about, there were in total of 3 questions. And the first question was that of your range updates with some mathematical twist. The second problem was that of your ad hoc, basically some logical coding you are required to do and you are required to return as per the required output. Okay. Third problem was that of your dynamic programming. If you have basically solved the word break problem, some sort of partitioning kind of problem was what you are required to solve here. Correct? That was the third problem intended for all about. And the first question I was not able to attempt due to the respective time constraints. Rest two problems I have attempted successfully. There was some marks division, by the way. The first problem basically was having 75 marks. Second and third, both combined was having 75 marks. The last two problems I targeted within the entire 1.5 hours, I solved it cleanly and that got accepted. Afterwards, the recruiter called me and they said that I have cleared that round. Going forward, there was supposed to be the interview scheduled, but I think the hiring got closed. So I got no more calls from there onwards. So this was basically the OA all about. And had there been more round of interviews, how they were supposed to be corresponding to Nirvana Solutions, it would have been a techno managerial round there. Okay. And here I think you would be asked overall of DSA, whatever works you have done, some behavioral questions as well as design related problems. Okay. And what I feel is that since the team was that of Gen AI, you are required to basically prepare how would you design something like ChatGPT or Gemini. Basically, the prompting, whatever you provide based on that, how would you get the responses stream by stream? Certain kind of things like that would have been asked to you within the interviews. Fair enough. And going forward, if that is being cleared, right, you would have basically gone on for the HR round where probably I think the salary negotiations and all would have happened. So this is all about the recruitment process, what Nirvana Solutions would have followed. So stay tuned within my channel to get more insights, how overall the hiring right nowadays are looking like. Thank you all.